Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to do many things, but before like and subscribe. So today I'm going to do a part 2 of the last to stop playing with fidgets, and to finish continuing to coloring this. So we're just going to color this, and there's a part 3 of the coloring the outside these. So let's get started. And here's my fidgets. So 3, 2, before, let me show you my colorings. Here's some of my colorings. So I'm just going now, while I'm coloring and playing with my fidgets, I'm going to tell you how do my YouTube channel. Let's get started. I'm thinking which color do I want to color. Okay. Here's my fidget. I love this because it's easier to pop. So at the end, I'm going to show you how it looked and what did I color. So yeah, let me start telling you how did I start doing my YouTube channel. So first, I was just coloring a picture. Then when I finished the picture, they put me like a button share. So I shared, and there was a YouTube. So I pressed on it, and from then I started uploading videos, and like that. So yeah, I love coloring so much, and art and fidgets, so I combined them together. Guys, write in the comments what do you want me to do in the next video. And I'm thinking when I'm going to go and buy some new fidgets and show you guys what did I buy. I love buying fidgets, and I hope I had, in the end, I have a huge fidget collection. So, yeah. I'm not going to finish it all because you guys will be bored. So yeah, so I'm just going to do like 1 line or 2 lines. But in the next video, you will see the complete figure of it. It will be so nice to see it's all colored. And I think I'm going to stick it on my room because it's so nice and colorful. So every day I wake up, beautiful colors in front of me. I'd be so happy. So yeah. So this is more easier to pop, so I'm just playing with this. And tell me in the comments if I cheated, I stopped playing with fidgets. So yeah, so I'm just going to color this line and just this line for today. And in the next video, I'm going to color the outside, and you will see a complete picture. I love also to draw and color, like the both of them. And I love art, doing crafts, many things about art. So I'm thinking if I do a video about just drawing things in front of you. Tell me in the comments if you want this video. Okay, I'm going to tell you what's my favorite color. I think you know, I told you in the previous videos that my favorite color is purple. So I love purple. So I showed you my two noodles, that they are purple. And I have in my coloring too, purple. I'm going to finish this line and stop this video. I'm going to finish it, guys. Tell me in the comments too if you like to coloring or what do you like to do. I told you what do I like to do. I like to play with fidgets, color, and do art. So yeah. Here's my fidget. Okay guys, I'm done with few lines. So see what I do. These colorful lines. I'm going to start with my fidgets. Start with my fidgets. So yeah. So see. So these I'll finish them without filming. And the outside, I will do a video about it, part 3. So please like and subscribe. Bye.